3D printing, a revolution in manufacturing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform industries across the globe. This innovative process involves creating three-dimensional objects by layering materials one at a time, based on digital designs. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, which involve removing material to create a desired shape, 3D printing adds material layer by layer to build up the object. How does 3D printing work? The basic process of 3D printing involves several key steps. Digital design. The digital design of the object to be printed is created using computer-aided design (CAD) software. This design can be created from scratch or modified from existing models. Slicing. The digital design is sliced into thin, horizontal layers. These layers serve as instructions for the 3D printer on how to build the object. Printing. The 3D printer uses a nozzle or laser to deposit material, layer by layer, onto a build platform. The material can be a variety of substances, including plastics, metals, and even biological materials. Finishing. Once the object is printed, it may require additional finishing steps, such as sanding, polishing, or painting, to achieve the desired appearance and functionality. Vinny's 3D printer adventure. Vinny, a tech-savvy individual with a penchant for gadgets, decided to embark on a journey to purchase his first 3D printer. Armed with a newfound interest in DIY projects and a desire to create unique objects, Vinny ventured into the bustling electronics store. As he wandered through the aisles, his eyes were drawn to a sleek, modern-looking 3D printer. Intrigued, Vinny approached a sales associate and inquired about its features. The sales associate, eager to impress, launched into a lengthy explanation of the printer's capabilities, its ability to print everything from toys to tools. Vinny listened intently, trying to absorb the technical jargon. However, as the sales associate continued to talk, Vinny's mind began to wander. He envisioned himself printing miniature replicas of his favorite superheroes, custom-designed phone cases, and even edible treats. The possibilities seemed endless. Finally, Vinny decided to take the plunge. He purchased the 3D printer and eagerly brought it home. As he unboxed the device and began to set it up, he couldn't contain his excitement. He couldn't wait to unleash his creativity and see what he could create. The history and future of 3D printing. The history of 3D printing dates back to the early 1980s when the first stereolithography (SLA) 3D printers were developed. Since then, the technology has evolved significantly, with new materials, techniques, and applications emerging constantly. Today, 3D printing is used in a wide range of industries, including aerospace, automotive, healthcare, and manufacturing. It is being used to create everything from airplane parts to prosthetic limbs. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications in the future. Conclusion. 3D printing is a remarkable technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we design, manufacture, and consume products. With its ability to create complex and customized objects at a relatively low cost, 3D printing is poised to play a significant role in shaping the future of manufacturing and innovation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. This article was produced with the help of AI and some very smart smartphones. God bless to you and yours.